Okay, so this one is for the girlies that are on my Facebook and TikTok. Okay. You guys asked for a VPART body wave, even though I just posted one, but you wanted me to leave it in its curls, so let's do it. Now, I already have my hair braided up. If you want to see how I did that, you can definitely check one of my recent videos and you can see how I braided my hair. But these are all the goodies that come with this. And if the background is all crazy, it's because I'm trying to make it cute. But in the meantime, I'm trying to work as well. So keep on watching because she's going to transform. But anyway, so this is what she looks like. This is a 24-inch body wave wig from UNICE. And it comes ready to wear. When you pull her out, she already has the curls. She doesn't have a smell to her. Comes with, like the other ones, a V-part with the combs. You do have a drawstring to make your wig tighter if you have a smaller head, with the elastic band. I like to take my elastic band off because I do have a larger size head and the elastic band is just too tight for me. So I am gonna go ahead and cut off the little tabs that's on here. There you go. So if you guys want to see how I braided my hair underneath, I do have videos, maybe 2 or 3 previous from this video, and I do show a braiding pattern. So you could just go back and reference a different video that has V-parts. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put the combs in. Now, one of my followers was like, they love V-parts, but the combs are uncomfortable, and they can be. It depends on how you part your hair and how you braid your hair. So you definitely need to, you know, do it the right way. I would have to say, like, leave the right amount of leave out. The right size braids matters. So I'm here and I'm just gonna unravel my braids. Now I do have a press out. Mine is about 2 weeks old right now, so it's very oily, but we're just gonna make it work for the sake of this video. I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb and just comb out the curls a little bit, and then I'm just trying to see how my hair will blend in with this thing, since my hair is a little bit, you know, on the oily side. But I'm still gonna go ahead and take my curlers, my ion curlers, and curl my hair to help blend it in. Now, I would definitely do this style or apply this V-part on freshly washed hair, because it'll just give the look that you're trying to give. But like I said, for the sake of the video, I'm just going to show you guys me adding this to this. Also, I didn't want to put too much heat on my natural hair, since I am natural. And I think this will look very much cute with crimps, okay? And I might do the crimps, but I will just have to wash my hair and deep condition it, because I do not want heat damage from all the heat styling that I have been doing with my natural hair with these videos. So yeah, this is probably going to be it for me. I'm going to probably put my hair away and start back with my frontals and closures videos. But yeah, so I just wanted to add some natural content into this. Maybe I'll do like some me wash days and stuff like that, and how I take care of my hair to grow it out. But yeah, now this hairstyle would have looked way better if I had layers in the front, but unfortunately I'm not cutting my natural hair. So we're just gonna have to do what it do. And I'm combing it out with a white tooth comb, and then I'm gonna switch to a rat tail comb, and I'm gonna just make sure that my hair is covering the beginning of the V part, so you can't see it. And basically I'm gonna just comb it out until it gives me some type of waves. Now you can tell my hair is like a ashy natural brownish black, and you could kind of tell the difference. But yeah, it just have different like you can see the difference. I know I'm not tripping. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are definitely on sale, and a lot of the girls are into these now. So if you're interested, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box for you. Bye, best friends.